Hello, my name is Jesril Maria Membrador, and this is my Arduino countdown timer circuit for laboratory exercise 5. It uses a 16 by 2 LCD with an I2C module to display a countdown in hours, minutes, and seconds. So here's the hardware. We have we have four push buttons. One is to set hours, one is to set minutes, one is to start the timer, and then this one is for reset. Um, the LCD communicates with the Arduino through the I2C protocol using just two data lines, the SDA and SCL, instead of the usual 8 or more. So each press of the button here um increases the timer by R. So as you can see here, I press it, it increases the timer of hours. And then this one, if you press it, it increases the timer by 1 minute. As you can see here, I press it. And then you can see the display updating live on the second line. Now, um, as you can see here, this is our custom character, which is an hourglass, and then this is the countdown time, and then here's the time, hour, time, minutes, and then seconds. So now let's press this button to start the timer. So as you can see, it moves. This is the seconds, minutes, and hour. So now if you press this button, it will reset the timer, and the timer goes back to 0. So as you can see, it resets. So next is we try to put the 1 hour and then start. As you can see, it became 59 minutes. So let's reset it again. And then let's just put 1 minute on the timer and then start. And then wait for it to finish so that you can see the text after the countdown is done. So as you can see here, each time the hours and minutes buttons are pressed, a request account is sequenced by an hour or a minute. Respectively, the user must press the start button to initiate the countdown sequence. Once the countdown sequence is complete, the display must show on its second line times up. So that's what we are waiting for. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it says time's up on the second line. So I think that's all with the requirements. Thank you. So I'm gonna reset now. That's it. Thank you.